Today I share with you how to make Nigerian beans in a professional way from scratch. To start, you are going to be kneading your beans, and at the same time you are going to pick that beans if you have any stone. So after doing that, transfer the beans inside a cooking water. Over here I have cooking pot and I have water over there. I get that stir and get this to turn to boil for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, it has turned to boil. So now I open, you can see that. So this is brown beans, and you don't have to proceed like this by cooking. First of all, you have to come out the beans from the stock water and get the beans rinsed. So after rinsing the beans, you are going to have something like this. Then go ahead with fresh water. Then what I add now is onion. So I'm going to have 2 onions, then cut that in a very beautiful size. Then adding the onions inside the beans. So next I'll be adding is meat stock. So if you don't have any stock, you can still use normal water. It's useful. Then adding salt to taste, then stir together. I will cover the beans so that it can get its own cook for 15 minutes. I just covered that. What I'll be needing next is these onions, hot pepper, tomato and garlic. I blend together like this. After blending, on the next pot I'll be adding this red oil. I get the oil to get hot, then adding the pepper mix inside the oil and then get that to fry. Before that, I will be adding some seasoning cubes, so that is Maggi seasoning and salt to taste. I get that stir together. At this point, I'm not going to add in crayfish, so I'm going to add in the crayfish later. So all I do now is to cover that to get fried. 15 minutes of frying the pepper. It has fried so nice. It was scenting so amazing. All I do now is to get that stir together and keep it aside. At this point, our beans done. Yeah, so the beans has cooked so nice, and now I'm going to give that stir. So I have to check if it cooks so nice. When I check, it cooks so amazing. Now I will be adding the sauce inside the beans. Look at that. So what I add next is the crayfish, guys. Over here I have blended crayfish. I just pour that, then stir everything together. You notice the time I add in the crayfish, so I add it at this point so that it will give my beans a lot of flavor and delicious outcome. Now I cover that to get final cook. At this point, my people, our food done. The beans cook so nice at this point. So guys, you don't have to let all the water to get dry. If not, it will turn to stone. So you don't have to get your beans cooked like that. So at this point, it's going to enable you to enjoy. Just look at this beans now. Like, look at this beans. It's everywhere. It sounds so amazing. I'm going to enjoy the beans with this ripe plantain. Okay guys, if you know Nigeria beans, you know that it go well with anything dodo. Remember that name, that is dodo in Nigeria. So I'll be adding that a little bit of salt, then stir together. So at this point I have already fried oil. Then now I'm transfer that inside oil. At this point it don't fry. Look at our dodo now. Nigerian dodo is ready. Now it's time for us to serve and enjoy our beans. Look at that now, my people. This beans is for everyone. Follow this process and get your professional beans done. Not every time you go to chop price, you need something like this to enjoy your day. I love you guys. In my next one, all you have to do for me is to share for other people to see, because I know we Africa will love eating like this, and I got it for you guys. Share. You are going to love it when you follow this process. In my next one, bye.